Starting off plantation with good and nutritious garden soil is a very great idea. We should plant more trees, but even best soil becomes depleted of nutrients and organic matter after a period of time. No doubt, soil is the most vital base for a healthy and productive garden. Hey, but luckily you have a few free soil fertility enhancers which makes soil more nutritious and fertile. Can you guess what? Let me give you a hint. It is around your kitchen. If seen, it is in the dust bin. No worry, I will tell you. So I am talking about vegetable scraps. Great, who knew this answer? But you must be thinking that how vegetable scraps are helpful. So let me tell you. Number 1, because it is free of cost. Number 2, it is a great way to improve garden soil and promote nutrition for plants. Number 3, it can be easily composted. And number 4, it makes the soil fertile. Let's see how to use it.